Welcome to the video tutorial of GreenCloud VPS. Today, we will show you how to install GitLab CE on Debian 13. First, start by updating the package lists. Next, upgrade the installed packages. Then, install the basic packages required for the GitLab installation. After the repository has been added, update the package lists. Before installing GitLab, you can verify that the GitLab CE package is available from the repository. The command should display the available GitLab CE version. Now, install GitLab CE and configure it to use the server's IP address. During the installation, the GitLab package automatically installs and configures the components required to run GitLab. The installation process may take several minutes depending on the server's resources and network speed. After installation, you can apply the current GitLab configuration with the following command. After the configuration has completed, check the status of the GitLab services. A correctly installed GitLab instance should show its services with a run status. You can also run the GitLab health check. This command checks the GitLab installation and can help identify configuration or service problems. GitLab automatically generates an initial password for the root administrator account during installation. Retrieve the password with the following command. The output contains the initial password required to log in to GitLab. The initial password file is only available for a limited period after installation. Therefore, retrieve the password as soon as the installation is complete. After logging in for the first time, change the root password to a strong and unique password. Once the installation is complete, open a web browser and access GitLab using the server's IP address. At the GitLab login page, enter the username and the password retrieved. After logging in, you can start creating projects and repositories.